MillionaireMusic.com.
24/9.
All original beats and instrumentals.
Only out for the paper, man. The streets been calling my name, but they don't wanna see me ballin'. They rather see me in the coffin, but there's no losing in my thought process, cause you're dealing with a motherfucking monster. So you're mistaken, yeah, you're mistaken, cause yeah, my nigga, I'ma make it.
Yeah, I made it. Not once did I fake it. I see the things I like, I take it. Can't thank God I made it if I did it on my own. Niggas tell me cool it that I need to watch my tone, but I take that as a threat. I tell them I stay back. Don't let me catch you all alone. People gon' be wondering why you ain't make it home. You can take me out the hood, can't take it out my mind, cause I tell what niggas tryna take what's mine. So I don't let shit slide. I'm my own worst enemy. I've got way too much pride. Gotta thank myself I made it, cause I probably would've died. But to my surprise, new doors open up. People saying Jazzy, you got way too much skills. Why the hell you pushing pills? You should just make music, you could make a couple mil. Flow so ill, I just hope it doesn't kill.
Only out for the paper, man. The streets been calling my name, but they don't wanna see me ballin'. They rather see me in a coffin, but there's no losing in my thought process, cause you're dealing with a motherfucking monster. So you're mistaken, yeah, you're mistaken, cause yeah, my nigga, I'ma make it. I'ma make this life. No time to think twice, no mistakes this time. You see me breathing heavy, training, working to be ready. Got them strung out like spaghetti, these niggas clocking like Betty. I'm saying when I do this, ain't nothing to it. My flow's the Mississippi, the curve running so fluid. Or maybe it's a stupid love shots like I'm Cupid. Keep your head up for the new kid, and I ain't going nowhere, and I ain't never failing. So what the fuck is the point in y'all niggas hating? Please help me understand. You call yourself a man, my motives are simple. I'm trying to get my mom's a house with a ranch, and maybe a couple Porsches and some more shit. I'm done fucking with all the wrong shit. So next time you see me, it's a promise, I'ma be on my grown shit. Only out for the paper, man. The streets been calling my name, but they don't wanna see me ballin'. They rather see me in a coffin, but there's no losing in my thought process, cause you're dealing with a motherfucking monster. So you're mistaken, yeah, you're mistaken, cause yeah, my nigga, I'ma make it.
King Kong, Godzilla's in the trunk. One real monster left, the incredible hunk. And that's me, you're looking at him, taking even away from Adam. Rip the rings around from Saturn, playing games and talking Madden. Diamond in the rough, call me Aladdin. Fucking hoes with bras that don't got patents. Spitting fire, I'm a dragon. Blow it up, a fucking Aladdin. They been going hard, yeah, I just been laughing. Hot, she going down, down, baby. Got me going crazy. Toes curled up, and eyes be going lazy. She could be my lady if she amaze me, but if she act up, I'm sweating. Got a lot of people around me, but nobody here beside me. Keep the lies up on the surface and the truth deep down inside me. Look through my eyes, past my sin, the truth's inside. My soul's within, yo.
Only out for the paper, man. The streets been calling my name,
I hear 'em calling,
but they don't wanna see me ballin'. They rather see me in a coffin,
they don't give a
but
shit.
there's no losing in my thought process,
Never falling,
cause you're dealing with a motherfucking monster.
I'm a monster.
So you're mistaken, yeah, you're mistaken, cause yeah, my nigga, I'ma
MVK.
make it.